Hello guys, welcome to watching the one of the 100 rule of the success. Today I'm not alone. Today I'm with my uncle and my also business partner.
Hello.
We're making the businesses together by a few years.
My name is Damian.
How long we are working together?
3 years, more than 3 years.
We earned about.
Oh,
We can tell it.
yes, together like $3 million. $3 million.
$3 million.
Together.
So it's
Yeah.
very impressive. It's
Yes.
all made by making the investment in the internet. Yeah.
On internet, yes,
Yeah.
that's
but
correct.
today we'll not talk about the direct business. Yeah. We'll talk about the situation.
Psychology, yes.
Yeah. Psychology. The
Yeah.
situation when you are doing something public. Yeah. Because
Yes.
I mean, do you doing something public?
Yes, I took pictures and I place it on social media. I make videos and I place it on YouTube.
I know
as well.
that you had also the public speech in front of the crowd. Yeah.
Yes.
You're also making this, and
Yeah.
what's the advice for you? Yeah, the advice is if you are making. Can you tell it, Damian?
Yeah, well, you tell.
Okay, if you are making anything by public, yeah, even if you're doing this perfectly, yeah,
Yes.
and you are doing great and you are impressive and everything what you're talking is very smart,
Yes.
they will be always the person who will
What denied you?
denied you. You
Yes.
know why? Because every person have other personality.
Yes.
Yeah? And
There are more than 6 billion people all over the world, so nobody's the same.
Yeah.
Everyone is different. So
everyone is different.
for me, he can be great. For somebody, he can be not great. Idiot or something like
So
that.
remember, if you're doing anything public, yeah, if you, for example, making marketing like us, if
Yes.
you're making the videos,
Yes, if you're a
making
politician,
even
if you're
photo, if you're making
actor.
public speech,
Yes.
and you are making the very intelligent subject and it's useful, yeah, you
Yes.
have a utility of this,
Yes.
yeah. Always be people who will deny you. Always.
Yes, always.
And if you want to be public, if you want to create the stuff in the public,
Yes.
you have to be prepared
Yeah. Prepared
to
for. Yeah.
critic. Yeah,
Yes.
everybody will be critic you. So if you will be a sportsman and every time the people will show and they will tell that you are not so good as you can think, you are stupid, or maybe you are
Yeah.
using bad technique, or maybe if you are singing, then always be people who will
Yes.
tell that
You are a bad singer.
yeah, you
Yeah.
don't sing properly because you should sing like that or other, or maybe you don't have a tonality.
Yeah. You are too short, too tall, too fat, too thin.
Yes, because remember, every people is different, yeah, and
Yeah.
have other how to say it, stuff in the brain, yeah, other
Yes.
files in the brain,
Yes.
other files in the brain, and they recognizing the word about the files in their heads, yeah.
Yes.
And if you are making some public speech, always you cannot make happy
Everyone.
people
Yes.
in your sale, in your place, in your room, yeah.
Yes.
You will not make.
You not satisfy everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
thought about.
Yeah.
So thank you for help.
Yeah.
Okay. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you want to be somebody, you should go to the stage. The money is on the stage.
Yes,
if you
correct.
are starting doing something public, you will earn the money. But first of all, you need to prepare for the critic. Yeah?
Yeah.
You have to prepare because you cannot do the public speech and not be critical.
Yes.
So just remember about this lesson. It's very important. If you will do anything other than the typical crowd,
Yes.
you will be denied. You will be denied. I'm sure about this, and you have to be prepared about this. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and go to the next material. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.